Here is something Mercedes-Benz does not want you to figure out. The star on the hood of your car costs about $12 to manufacture. The star on the box your parts come in can add $200 to $400 to a component that was built in the same factory on the same assembly line by the same supplier as the version you can order online tonight. This is called the star tax, and it is quietly bleeding Mercedes owners dry, not through one catastrophic repair bill, but through dozens of routine maintenance purchases stacked up over years of ownership. Today we are going to name it, price it, and show you exactly how to stop paying it. 12 parts, real prices, real supplier names. Let's go. Part 12, cabin air filter. Dealer price, $145 to $175 installed. Yarn, real price, $12 to $25. Every Mercedes-Benz service advisor is trained to sell you a cabin air filter at your annual service visit. The part, branded with the Mercedes star and wrapped in premium packaging, retails at the parts counter for $40 to $55. The company that actually made it is MAHL or MAN plus Hummel, global filtration manufacturers who supply virtually every automaker on the planet. You can buy the identical MAHL filter directly from FCP Euro or ECS, tuning for $12 to $25 on the W205, C-Class, and W213. E-Class, replacing it yourself, takes under 4 minutes and 0 tools. You're paying a $120 installation fee for someone to pop 2 plastic tabs. Part 11. Engine air filter. Dealer price, $85 to $120 installed. Real price, $15 to $28. Same story, different filter. MAN plus Hummel and MAHL supply the OEM engine air filter as well. The dealer version costs $35 to $50 at the parts counter. The identical filter from an online retailer is $15 to $28. What makes this one sting? The replacement interval on most modern Mercedes engines is every 20,000 to 30,000 miles. If you're doing it right, you're buying this filter regularly. At dealer prices, over a decade of ownership, you're spending $350 to $500 on something that should cost $150 to $200. The filter housing on the M264 4-cylinder, found in the C300, GLC300, and GLE350, is held in place by 4 spring clips. No wrench required. Part 10. Oil filter. Dealer price, $18 to $28 per change. Real price, $7 to $13. The oil filter is the quietest markup on this list, but it compounds. Mercedes dealerships charge $18 to $28 for an oil filter element. MAN plus Hummel and Hengst, the actual OEM manufacturers, sell the same component through online parts retailers for $7 to $13. If you follow Mercedes' recommended 10,000-mile oil change interval and drive 15,000 miles a year, that's roughly 1.5 oil changes annually. The filter markup alone adds up to $80 to $100 over 5 years. Not dramatic. But when you stack it with every other part on this list, you start to see the picture. Part 9. Brake pads. Dealer price, $280 to $420 per axle, parts only. Not real price, $60 to $140 per axle. Here is where the numbers get serious. Mercedes factory brake pads are manufactured by TRW and Techstar, both subsidiaries of global automotive supplier ZF Friedrichshafen. Those same TRW and Techstar pads, boxed under their own names, are available from FCP Euro and Pelican parts for $60 to $140 per axle set. The dealer charges $280 to $420 for the same pads in a different box. There's another angle here that dealers won't mention. FCP Euro offers a lifetime replacement guarantee on brake pads. When those pads wear down in 3 to 4 years, you contact FCP Euro, ship the worn cores back, and they send you a new set at no charge. The dealership offers no such program because it's not in their interest for you to need fewer reasons to come back. Part 8. Brake rotors. Dealer price, $220 to $380 each. Real price, $85 to $165 each. The rotor markup mirrors the pad markup almost exactly. Zimmermann and AT are the OEM rotor suppliers from Mercedes-Benz. At the parts counter, a single C-Class rotor retails for $220 to $380. The identical Zimmermann or ATE rotor from an online European parts retailer costs $85 to $165. On a car requiring 4 rotors, which is most brake jobs done correctly, you're looking at a potential savings of $500 to $800 on rotors alone. Before labor, before the pads, just the rotors. Part 7. Spark plugs. Dealer price, $15 to $22 each. Real price, $6 to $11 each. Spark plugs seem like a small ticket item until you realize an M276V6 found in the E400, S450, and GLE43 takes 6 of them, and M157V8 takes 8. NGK and Bosch supply OEM spark plugs to Mercedes. A complete set of 6 NGK Iridium plugs for a V6 Mercedes runs $36 to $66 from an online supplier. The dealer charges $90 to $132 for the same set. Mercedes recommends spark plug replacement every 40,000 to 60,000 miles on most naturally aspirated engines. On the turbocharged M264 and M260 units, some owners are seeing plug wear closer to 30,000 miles. Over the life of the car, this adds up. Part 6. Ignition coils. Dealer price, $75 to $105 each. Real price, $28 to $50 each. Ignition coil failure is one of the most common complaints among owners of the turbocharged M264 4-cylinder. The heat cycles, the boost pressure, the tight packaging. These engines eat coils. Bosch and Eldor manufacture the OEM coils. A single coil at the Mercedes parts counter runs $75 to $105. The identical Bosch coil from FCP Euro or Rock Auto costs $28 to $50. When one coil fails, the remaining 3 are rarely far behind. If your independent shop quotes you 4 coils at dealer parts prices, you're looking at $300 to $420 in parts alone. 4 Bosch coils sourced online, $112 to $200. Each coil is secured by a single M6 bolt and an electrical connector. Replacement time on all 4, approximately 25 minutes with basic hand tools. Part 5. Coolant. Dealer price, $32 to $48 per gallon. Real price, $14 to $22 per gallon. This one comes with a specific warning because getting it wrong matters. Mercedes-Benz coolant is not universal. Most models built after April 2014 require a coolant meeting the MB32 5.6 specification. The dealer will tell you, correctly, that using the wrong coolant can damage the water pump seals, degrade aluminum surfaces, and void your warranty. What they won't tell you is that Xerox G40 meets the MB32 5.6 specification exactly. You can verify this on the ASTM technical datasheet. A gallon of Mercedes-branded coolant costs $32 to $48 at the parts counter. A gallon of Xerox G40 costs $14 to $22 at most auto parts retailers or online. A full coolant system flush requires approximately 1.5 to 2 gallons depending on your model. That's a $30 to $50 savings per flush, which should happen every 3 to 5 years. For pre-2014 models, the specification is MB 325.0. The equivalent is Xerox G48. Same principle, different blend. Part 4. Window regulators. Dealer price, $250 to $480. Real price, $90 to $200. Window regulator failure is one of those repairs that comes from Mercedes owners the way the seasons come, quietly and then all at once. The plastic carrier clips that hold the glass to the cable mechanism were a known weak point on the W204, W205, and W212 platforms. A replacement regulator at the dealer runs $250 to $480 depending on the model. On the W2, 22 S-Class or X166GL, you can push past $480 before they even quote you labor. The same OEM equivalent regulator from FCP Euro Pelican Parts or ECS. Tuning costs $90 to $200. Door panel removal is straightforward, 7 screws, a handful of plastic clips, and 1 connector for the mirror switch. The procedure is documented step by step on YouTube for virtually every Mercedes model sold in the last 20 years. Even if you hand the job to an independent shop, buying the part yourself and paying only for labor typically saves $150 to $250. Part 3. Control arms. Dealer price, $350 to $700 each. Real price, $130 to $280 each. Front suspension control arms are a defining maintenance item for Mercedes-Benz vehicles, particularly on the W204, C-Class, W212 E-Class, and W166ML/GLE. The front suspension architecture on these platforms uses multiple control arms per corner, on some configurations 4 or 5 per side, which means control arm replacement is not a single-part transaction. Lemfurter is the OEM supplier. The same Lemfurter arm that Mercedes stamps with a star and charges $350 to $700 for is available from online European parts retailers for $130 to $280 in Lemfurter's own packaging with Lemfurter's own part number from the same factory. When one arm fails, inspect all of them. Bushings on these platforms tend to degrade in clusters. A shop quote for one arm today often becomes a quote for 3 arms 6 months from now. If you're going to pull the front suspension apart, price the whole job at OEM online costs before you authorize the dealer to source the parts. On a full front suspension refresh, 4 to 6 arms, the savings between dealer sourcing and online OEM sourcing can easily exceed $1,200. Part 2. Battery. Dealer price, $380 to $650 installed. Real price, $160 to $280, part only. The Mercedes battery replacement experience is specifically designed to make you feel like you cannot do this yourself. Here is what dealers know that they hope you don't. Varta and Bosch manufacture the AGM batteries that go into modern Mercedes-Benz vehicles. The identical Varta AGM battery, same amp-hour rating, same cold cranking amps, same physical dimensions, is available from an auto parts retailer or online supplier for $160 to $280. The piece that seems complicated is battery registration. On vehicles with start-stop systems and energy management, which is most Mercedes models built after 2010, the ECU tracks battery health metrics tied to the original battery. When you install a new battery, the ECU needs to be reset so it doesn't apply charge algorithms calibrated for an old degraded battery. This registration is performed with an OBD 2-scan tool capable of Mercedes-specific functions. The Launch X431 and Autel MA808 both handle this. Cost, $80 to $150 as a one-time purchase. Many independent shops will also perform the registration for free if you bring the car in, or for a flat fee of $25 to $40. The math is simple. Dealer battery plus installation and registration, $430 to $750. Your own battery plus a shop registration, $185 to $320. Savings, $200 to $430 on a part you'll need to replace every 4 to 6 years. On most Mercedes models, the battery is located in the trunk under the floor panel, the most accessible location on the entire vehicle. Part 1. The AMG. Tax, performance parts from the same shelf. Dealer price. Varies. Hard. Premium over O. EM. 40% to 90%. Every part covered in this video applies equally to AMG variants, but the star tax hits harder when it's combined with an AMG badge. C63 owners replacing brake pads are quoted prices calibrated against the performance positioning of the car, not the cost of the component. The same TRW or Techstar compound that goes on a standard C-Class also goes on many AMG models. The calipers are larger, the rotors are bigger, but the supplier is the same. FCP Euro, Pelican Parts, and Turner Motorsport all carry AMG spec brake components at the same discount structure as standard models. The point is not that Mercedes quality is bad. It isn't. It's that the quality you're paying for doesn't live in the box. It lives in the part. And the part was built by a supplier who will sell it to you directly without the star on the label for half the price. Every part on this list, filters, brakes, coils, arms, coolant, battery, shares a single characteristic. The dealer-branded version and the online OEM version were manufactured by the same company to the same specification in the same facility. The only variable is the box and the markup applied to it. The suppliers we've referenced throughout, FCP Euro, ECS Tuning, Pelican Parts, Rock Auto, Parts Geek, all allow you to search by VIN. You enter your vehicle identification number, and the system confirms fitment before you buy. There is no guesswork and no warranty voiding for using OEM equivalent parts. There are repairs where dealer involvement makes sense, airbag modules, transmission valve bodies, anything requiring factory diagnostic calibration. Those exceptions are real and worth respecting. But for routine maintenance, for wear items, for the parts that keep your car running at the level you expect, you now know what they cost, you know who makes them, and you know where to buy them. The STAR tax is optional. Whether you keep paying it is up to you.